In this video, we'll be discussing a 15-minute Forex scalping strategy using Smart Money Breakout. This scalping strategy operates similarly to the Smart Money concept system, but with the Smart Money Breakout, we'll be utilizing breakouts in the break of structure and change of character areas as order placement zones in the market. Now, let's take a look at this table. From the total number of signals present, we can see that this trading strategy can perform quite well. This trading strategy can be applied across all time frames, making it suitable for scalping, day trading, and swing trading. Therefore, make sure to stay tuned until the end of this video and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. The trading strategy we're discussing today will only utilize two free indicators from TradingView. Now, open your TradingView and navigate to the Search Indicators tab. In the search bar, type Smart Money Breakouts and select Smart Money Breakouts from chartprime. Next, enter the settings of the Smart Money Breakouts indicator. There are several things you can adjust in this tab. For example, you can adjust the breakout type according to your needs. You can set breakouts based on either the wick or the body. If you choose the body, signals will appear when the candlestick body breaks out. However, if you choose the wick, the indicator will calculate breakouts based on the candlestick's wick. For this setup, let's change the RR ratio to 1. Then, activate the Show SL option. Now, move to the Style tab. In the Style tab, deactivate the bar color and plot candle options. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. Using this indicator is straightforward. When the indicator provides a signal, you can place an order based on the signal. If the price candlestick breaks out upwards and a green arrow appears, you can place an order after the candlestick closes. Similarly, if the price candlestick breaks out downwards and a red arrow appears, you can place an order after the candlestick closes. For stop loss and take profit targets, you can place them according to the indicator's signals. As a signal filter, let's now add the second indicator that will be used to filter signals in the market. Go to the Search Indicators tab and type Squeeze Momentum Indicator. Select Squeeze Momentum Indicator from lazybear. Next, enter the settings of the Squeeze Momentum Indicator. In the Inputs tab, leave the settings at their default, then, move to the Style tab. In the Style tab, change the color of the bar plot. Then, deactivate the plot for the second indicator. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. If the bars of the Squeeze Momentum Indicator are green, it indicates bullish momentum. Conversely, if the bars of the Squeeze Momentum Indicator are red, it indicates bearish momentum. Now, let's discuss how to trade using this scalping strategy. Here's how to place a buy order. 1. If the price candlestick breaks out upwards and there's a break of structure or change of character, along with a buy signal from the Smart Money Breakouts indicator, prepare to place a buy order. 2. Ensure that the bars of the Squeeze Momentum Indicator are green. 3. As a final confirmation, make sure the formed candlestick is bullish. 4. If all conditions are met, place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Five. Place the stop loss at the stop loss indicator mark from the Smart Money Breakouts. 6. Use the target take profit according to the points provided by the Smart Money Breakouts indicator. And here's how to place a sell order. 1. If the price candlestick breaks out downwards and there's a break of structure or change of character, along with a sell signal from the Smart Money Breakouts indicator, prepare to place a sell order. 2. Ensure that the bars of the Squeeze Momentum Indicator are red. 3. As a final confirmation, make sure the formed candlestick is bearish. 4. If all conditions are met, place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Five. Place the stop loss at the stop loss indicator mark from the smart money breakouts. 6. Use the target take profit according to the points provided by the smart money breakouts indicator. Remember to maintain your money management and trading psychology, as no trading strategy has a 100% win ratio. That concludes this video, and I'll see you in the next one.